Now that we have our data gathered, we have to get it into a form where it's usable. So I'm going to make another copy again. I always like to have more copies. So I'm going to right click and I do move or copy. We'll make sure it's clicked this time. Create a copy and we hit OK. And this time I'm going to call it data. Actually, I'm going to call it raw data. Now that I have my raw data and it's all finished, I'm going to make another copy of it and call it just data. So I'm going to move a copy, create a copy, OK, and I'm going to call it just data. And this is the one I'm going to work on. So what I'm going to do here to keep myself from screwing up is I'm going to hide this. So I right clicked again and it says move, copy, view, hide. So I want to hide that. That way I'm not going to enter into it. I could actually hide all of these if I wanted to, but I'm going to leave them there for now. I have this data. So the continuous variable of age is fine. We can leave it. Our experimental, we already coded it in a number sense, so we can work on that. But gender, I'm going to have to change into ones and zeros. So I'm going to create another column, but first I need to sort these. So I'm going to sort. Notice that I just simply clicked in that column, so it sorted that column. I'm going to create another one, and I'm going to put insert column, and this one I'm going to call female. So that means females will be coded with a 1, and you'll have a large data set, so grab it and remember, change your cursor. Watch the cursor change, and then we drag it down, and then we'll put in zeros here, and for a larger set you would do the same thing and save often. So we have this saved. We'll get rid of this one. We no longer need it. So now we're ready to investigate. We have our age, gender, everything's in numbers, and out on the right hand side we have the final result, whatever test it is that we're trying to predict. That's what we're going to regress the values on to see which ones influence the memory card test.